Hi guys, how are you all doing? So I had a hairstyle video come tutorial filmed for this week. However, I thought given the current circumstances that all of us are right now, it just kind of feels inconsequential putting up a hairstyle tutorial. Although I personally really enjoy filming fashion videos and hairstyle videos on my channel, but as I was saying, it just feels quite inconsequential. So I thought, whoever is watching this video, why don't I just catch up with you guys? And I love talking in front of the camera and expressing my thoughts, so I just thought I'm going to share whatever is going around in my mind, certain books and TV series and movies that I enjoyed watching and reading even in the current phase. And I'm going to share my SHAKSOUKA recipe for one person. Even though all the recipes that you get online are meant for 5 to 6 people or at least 4, I have this kick-ass recipe for just one person. So, and you don't need any fancy ingredients at all. I have just modified it according to the ingredients that we generally have available with us right now. So I'm going to share that recipe at the end of this video, so keep watching to find it out. I promise it's just the easiest thing to make. It's quite nutritious and it just tastes so amazing. So yeah, keep watching this video. So as I was saying that this video is kind of going to be a sit down chat sort of a thing where I'm just going to share my thoughts. So talking of which, what I really wanted to point out is that we are in amidst a pandemic, and I just see that there is this whole invisible pressure all over social media platforms like Instagram, like YouTube, as if they were not there when things were normal. So there is this pressure of staying positive and being productive. I mean, pandemic, productivity, positivity, even though all these 3 words start with P, it's not necessary that all the 3 of them should go together. I mean, everyone is talking about how to stay positive during quarantine and how to be at your most productive, at your productive best. But I just sort of feel like this is a pandemic, this is an unprecedented situation, and we are all here for survival. Like every day thousands of people are dying all over the world, and so much so that now human lives have just become numbers and statistics. Like we just switch on the news and see what is the numbers, what are the numbers, have they decreased, have they increased, and stuff like that. So when we are, I know whatever I'm saying, like whatever I'm going to say in the video in the later part, like reading books and watching films and cooking stuff, all of that comes from a position of privilege. I am aware of that. I am doing my part to help in any way that I can, and I'm sure that you guys are as well. But what I really wanted to say is that this invisible pressure of being positive, or even to finish all the films that we always wanted to watch, or the books that we never got to read because of our busy schedule. I am having days when I am lying in the bed for 2 days straight, and the next day I'm waking up, I am making fancy breakfast, working out, filming videos and feeling motivated, and then feeling so demotivated and depressed. So it is okay if you do not want to watch a movie. It is okay if you do not want to read books. The whole idea is that previously, why did we used to look forward to watching a particular movie at the end of the day, or at the end of our day filled with hard work? It is because we considered it as a reward, as a way of unwinding. And even though if you're working from home right now, you're doing it amidst a pandemic, and that is commendable enough. So please give yourself that space where it is okay to not feel like watching a movie, to not make sense, to not watch serious stuff, to always not appear very cerebral, or to read that book that is going to make you look very intelligent and strike up intelligent conversations. just let go of all of that, okay? So this is what I really wanted to say and convey. I mean, I'm not going to say in my video that stay positive in quarantine, because it is not possible sometimes, and it is okay. I wanted to remind it to myself, and I wanted to remind it to you. So now, as I said, that I'll be talking about the movies I liked watching. So the first movie I really liked watching was Kiki's Delivery Service, which is a movie from the Ghibli studios. It just resonated so well with me. It is the story of Kiki, who is a witch, and how she makes her way in the big bad world, and just becomes this beautiful independent girl. So it really resonates with me. It's a very feel-good movie, so I loved watching that. In web series, I loved watching Money Heist. I mean, so many people are saying that it's overhyped, it's this, it's that. So who cares? It has brilliant actors and really good-looking ones as well. Like, I have crushes on so many people, and I don't know. I mean, when was the last time I was affected by a fictional character dying as much as I got affected when Berlin and Nairobi died? So that is there. And then I watched another movie that was recommended to me by my friend. So this is a beautiful movie. It's called Kobe and the Two Strings. It is about fighting evil force. It is directed by Travis Knight. So all these movies are very feel-good movies. They are not, super serious stuff, but something that is going to make you feel light and happy at the end of it. So I really liked watching all of that, although Money Heist was too much for me. And as for books, I reread The Night Before Christmas by Nikolai Gogol. Again, there's this common theme I am noticing in the movies I'm watching and all of that. It is, all of these are talking about fighting the evil. So I don't know if it's directing to something else. Let me know what are the things that are keeping you going during this time. And as to the recipe that I wanted to share, so I made it with stuff that is available. So shakshuka, if you do not know, it is a typical North African and Middle Eastern dish, and the word shakshuka is actually an Arabic term that means a mixture. So the idea of the dish is that there is this bed of sauce, red sauce made from tomato and bell peppers and paprika, and then there are poached eggs that you cook. I just gave it my own twist, so I'm just going to show you what I did. So basically what I did for one person, I mean, I sometimes feel like people don't talk about one person recipes. I don't know why. So basically what you need to do is you in a pan you need to give white oil, cloves of garlic and onion. Wait till it gets translucent. Substitute the bell pepper with capsicum because it's easier to get. Then again saute it for a while. And then to that add chopped tomatoes, saute it for 3 to 4 minutes, and then typically you use canned tomatoes, but this is again not quite available. So what I did was I boiled the tomato and I crushed it with a bit of hot water, salt and pepper, and just gave it this puree sort of a feel to make the sauce. And then I put it in the gravy and added cumin powder, green chili and red chili powder, and then I let it cook and get it a very nice and just when I realized that the flavors are coming out well, I made this dent in the middle of the sauce and added the poached egg, covered it, added some cheese and fresh coriander leaves, and that is how I made it. It took me hardly 15 to 20 minutes, and it was so nice, it was so filling, and I loved making it. So these are the things I did. I'm taking things slow. I'm not pushing and rushing because I just felt like, when the pandemic started, all of us thought it's a definitive thing. So a lot of people actually thought, it is a time to take break and do things that they have never done before. But now, as reality is striking us harder with every passing day, we are realizing that it's not a definitive thing. So all I wanted to say is it's okay if you're not positive, it's okay if you're not productive. You're surviving a pandemic, that is enough. So please stay safe, please take care, and let me know if you like this, heart to heart conversation, because I really liked sharing whatever was going on inside my head with you guys. Just take it easy, don't put so much pressure on yourself, and let's just help those who are in need, and hope that we are all going to come out of this as better human beings, more compassionate, and not let ourselves get swayed away by all these social media pressures. Stay safe, share some of your favorite recipes in the comment section down below, or a book recommendation, movie recommendation, whatever you fancy. Please subscribe. I love talking to you guys. I'll see you soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it so much that you give your time and watch my videos. It means a lot to me, truly.